Have you ever felt this way? How long have you been learning English? Maybe even for years? You know a lot of vocabulary. You understand movies, songs, and YouTube videos. But when it's time to speak, you can't think of anything. Your voice won't come out. You just stand still. Why? Is it because you need more vocabulary? More grammar? More books? No, what you need is more courage. That's right, my friend. It's not your vocabulary holding you back. It's your fear. And today, we are going to overcome that fear together. Welcome to Kunzy in English. I'm Nasa, your English companion, the one who learns alongside you, and definitely your number one fan. And today, I'm here to tell you something important. You are enough. That's right. You don't need to learn another 5,000 words. You don't need to speak like a native tomorrow. You are enough. You may not be perfect right now, but the truth is, you already have everything you need to start. You have enough vocabulary to communicate. You understand stories, videos, and you know how to connect through language. So why are you still hesitating? Because you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe that you can speak, even if it's not perfect. Don't let fear stop you. Don't let insecurity hold you back. Because the truth is, you need to open your mouth. Even if at first you feel nervous, even if the things you say are not perfect, that's how you get better. Don't fear mistakes. Don't fear looking silly. That's how you learn. Because every time you speak, you are getting closer to true confidence in English. You don't need to be perfect to start. Starting is the most important step. And today, I'm here to help you overcome that fear. I'll be with you, step by step, helping you gain more confidence in speaking English. Remember, every small step is a victory. Trust yourself, open your mouth, and speak, even if it's not perfect, because that's how you grow. We'll do this together, one sentence, one word at a time. Let's start today. Have you ever wondered why you know so many words, but when it comes to speaking, everything goes silent? You've watched hundreds of English movies, but when you need to communicate, you just can't open your mouth? That feeling is frustrating, isn't it? You know you can do it. You know you can speak, but something is holding you back. It's fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of being laughed at. Fear of not sounding like a native speaker. But what if I told you that fear is the very thing that's stopping you, and you can overcome it with just one simple decision? So, are you ready to conquer that fear? Ready to break through all the limits you've set for yourself? Just start. Don't worry about perfection. Speak. Even if it's wrong, even if it's awkward. That's how you learn. That's how you grow. Let me tell you a story. There was a girl just like you. She studied English diligently. She could understand books, understand movies, but every time she had to speak, she stayed silent. She was afraid of making mistakes. She was afraid of being judged. And so she kept it all inside. But then one day, she met a friend. And that friend said, "Just talk to me. I don't care about your grammar. I care about you." She started speaking, slowly, clumsily, with mistakes. But she started. And you know what? Her confidence changed day by day. So the question is, could that girl be you? Could you overcome your fear and step outside your comfort zone? Let me challenge you today. Don't just listen. Don't just stay silent. Speak with me right now. And remember, there's no mistake too big to fix. Ready? Repeat after me. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. My voice matters. My voice matters. I can speak English. I can speak English. I am learning. I am growing. I am proud of myself. I am learning. I am growing. I am proud of myself. Now, you've started. How does that feel? Wonderful. I heard you speak. And you know what? I'm proud of you, truly proud. Because speaking English isn't just about vocabulary. It's not just grammar. It's about courage. And today you did something many people are afraid to do. You used your voice. You didn't wait to be perfect. You didn't wait to make 0 mistakes. You spoke. And that is the first step to freedom. So next time, when someone asks you, do you speak English? Don't hesitate. Don't panic. Just look them in the eyes, smile, and say, yes, I'm learning, I'm speaking, and I'm getting better every single day. Because it's true. You are doing it. You are growing. And the best part, you are not alone. I'll be right here beside you, cheering you on, believing in you, guiding you through every step, every word, every moment of this journey. The journey where you don't just learn English. You become someone who can express themselves in English with confidence. You've already started, and I can't wait to see you shine. Thank you so much for being here with me today on Kunzy in English. You didn't just listen. You showed up. You chose courage over fear. You chose growth over perfection. And that's what sets you apart. Maybe your English isn't perfect. Maybe your voice still shakes a little. Maybe you're still unsure. But guess what? You're doing it anyway. And that's what matters most. Speaking English isn't about sounding like someone else. It's about becoming more of you. Your story, your voice, your heart. And if today's episode helped you feel a little stronger, a little more hopeful, a little more ready to speak out loud and be heard, then please share this with someone else who needs that same light. Someone who's been hiding their voice. Someone who thinks they're not ready. Let them know. They're not alone. You're not alone. Let's grow together. Let's fall. Let's rise. Let's speak. Let's keep showing up every day because together we're not just learning English. We're building confidence. We're breaking fear. We're changing lives, starting with our own. I'm NASA, and I believe in you more than you know. Every word you say, every step you take, every moment you try, it matters. So keep going. Keep speaking. Keep shining. You're doing better than you think. And if you haven't yet, follow, share, like, and spread the message. Because someone out there is waiting to hear the voice that only you can inspire. Let's light this world up, one voice at a time. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep being brave. Because your voice is powerful, and your journey, it's just getting started.